welcome back to my channel. My name is Marsha if you're new. And Aya, can you let me talk? Today is Monday. It's today we're celebrating Labor Day in Jamaica, so it's a public holiday, and I'm just tired of staying in the house, so I decided that I'm gonna go on the road. I'm actually going to go to Hope Gardens. I don't know if it's going to be open, but let's see. It's like almost 12 o'clock now, so, and curfew is at 3 o'clock, so we don't have a lot of time. Plus there's an apartment that I want to go and look at today because I want to move from where I live. So that's also in the plans. I want to go and look at the apartment, but I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna get to look at it because of the whole COVID and everything. So my boyfriend is gonna go and look at it first, and then he's gonna ask the landlord to see if I can go. So we'll see. Mommy, anyway guys, so I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna drive and see if Hope Garden is open. If not, then I guess I'll just come back and go and look at the apartment. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So let's see how it goes. So guys, right now we're stopping because I need to get some cash from the ATM because I think I have to pay for parking if I go to Hope Gardens. So, oh man, these masks make you feel like you're stifling. So we got the money and we are going to go continue on our little trip. And let's see, I hope it's open. I hope the garden is open, guys, because I've just been tired of staying in the house, so I really just need somewhere to like chill for a minute outside of the house. So wish me luck. So we're almost there, guys, and I don't know if it's gonna be open. Oh my gosh, I checked online before I came and it said it was open, but I'm not sure. I just have a feeling it's not gonna be open, but hey, at least we drove out of the house, so that's a positive. Okay, it's right here. Oh guys, it's closed. It is closed. It's closed. It's closed. It's closed.
Okay, let's go back.
Hi, you're closed, right? Okay. Alright, thanks. Yep, they are closed. It's such a bummer. Alright, what are we gonna do? A cooking place? think I might go to Sovereign.
Subway.
Yeah.
What a pretty view, mommy.
Go on, cause you don't know me stop Brock already. You never see me a come.
It's so pretty.
So we're at Sovereign now. Going to try to get some food. Yeah, guys, the place is pretty empty. I see KFC open, Island Grill. The KFC line though, I'm not sure. Bounty. The line looks long. The line looks long, guys, but we'll see. So guys, we're leaving without food. That was a waste of time. It's taking too long. It's taking way. The line is very long and I want to go and look at the apartment. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to look at the apartment, but I at least want to try to see it. And the rate at which that line is moving, I probably would be there for another hour or like 45 minutes, and I was there for like half an hour already. Yeah, so we're just gonna go. So guys, that was a fail. KFC, the line for KFC, as I was saying before, the line was moving too slow. It wasn't really all that long, but it was moving slow. I was there for probably half an hour and I did not see one person come out with food in their hands. So I don't know what's up. They're moving extremely slow and it's almost like 10 minutes to 1 o'clock now. The viewing for the apartment is at 1 o'clock. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to see it. As I said, they're on my boyfriend. He's the one who called and spoke to the landlord and everything, and he's going to be viewing the apartment along with 6 other people in like a group. So they don't want too many people to be in there at once. And then, so we're going to try to see if we can talk to the landlord and ask her to let me view it after they're done viewing. So I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but if there's a chance that I can see it, I would love to see it. I really don't wanna move into somewhere where I didn't see it before. And I think I have a more keen eye for that stuff than he does. But since he made the arrangements and everything, then I'm just gonna let him go ahead and do it. And then hopefully I'll be able to do it after. So I just want to be there, just in case. So since we didn't get KFC, we're just gonna eat a snack before we go, because I'm kind of hungry. Do you want this, Eric? Or you want spring food? I have this. You want this one? Okay, we already sanitized our hands, guys, so don't worry. And I'm gonna eat a St. Mary's extra crunchy banana chips. So why did you touch it? It's fine. Well,
A little bit fine. I'm going to eat with this.
then I have juice. I came prepared of orange juice. I have a love-hate relationship with banana chips. Like sometimes I like it and sometimes it's just I don't feel for it for a long time, and then I eat it. So it's not one of my favorite snacks, but it's one of those snacks that I have to feel for it. Just gonna have a snack and then we'll go. idea of what you can get for one money. So guys, I realized that I'm running out of gas. But my gas light is on. So I'm gonna stop at the gas station. I'm gonna get some gas. I'm gonna get some gas. Alright, you know that song? I'm gonna get some gas. I'm gonna get some gas.
Yeah, body I make it fun.
So guys, it looks like I'm gonna get to see the apartment, but I have to go right now. So I'm kind of rushing. Got the gas, yeah. So I'm trying to get there. They're waiting on me. And why is it that whenever you're rushing, all the stoplights are always on red? Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, this is the second bedroom. Hold on. Sanjay, a 2 bathroom. A 2 bathroom. It's 2 bathrooms.
Oh, no, so this is one bathroom.
Good thing come look. Well, what kind of other window? Oh, we can't order. Such a oh, so the bedroom that will be on your own. Oh gosh. Kitchen. Again, I'm going to paint the cabinet. What do you think? Oh, this is the balcony, obviously. What happened here?
There's the end to the
Hey guys, so we just finished looking at the apartment. I wasn't really able to do like a very good video of the inside because there were quite a few other people looking at it at the same time. It's a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and it's being rented for 60,000 a month, which is a deal in Jamaica, and it's in a good area. It's in Kingston 8, so like I think it's a good deal. It's a good deal. There's so many people looking at it. So the lady, the realtor, she took her information and stuff, and we're supposed to call her like at 3 o'clock to see if we get it, or if we got it, or if she's offering it to us. But we'll see. I mean, it's been a while since we wanted to move, but we just didn't find anywhere that we liked. We found one place that we liked, but it fell through, and then ever since then we kind of stopped for a while, and then we just started looking again. And last time we were looking in the paper and we saw this place, and we decided to come and check it out. It's not, as you can see from the footage, it's not like really, it's not super modern or anything, but it has a lot more space than what we have now, and that's the main thing. So yeah, yeah, it's not modern, doesn't have like the most updated finishes and stuff. The thing is, if to get like nice updated finishes, it's gonna be like 100,000 or the lowest 80,000 up. And probably in this area, if it's updated, it's going to be over 100,000. So it's really a deal, and that's why there are so many people here. But like, you know, I was just thinking, why are you here looking at a cheap apartment and yet you drive a Range Rover or you're driving a Benz? Like, to me it doesn't make any sense. Like, if you can afford a vehicle like that, then it means that you should not be trying to get into a cheap apartment. Like, you're supposed to be living somewhere nice, you know. But priorities, some people don't have their priorities straight, so they took up this big expensive vehicle and they really can't afford it. Because, to be honest, why are they driving like that? Oh my god. Yes, go the opposite way from where I'm going. Yeah, so that's it. I just hope that we get it. If we don't, then there will be other places, but we'll see. So I'm about to head home now. That's basically it for this vlog. I don't want to make my vlogs too super long, because I don't want to lose their attention halfway through the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video with someone who you think would find it interesting. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.